Okay, so in this video what I am going to do is to generate QR code using Python. It is very easy, and the very first step is to install the pyqrcode module. So at Hackerspan we have a complete article on it, and this is here. You can use this. So I will just install the pyqrcode module. Okay, so here it is being installed. Okay, so pyqrcode module is now installed, and now let us write a program to generate QR code. So I will start the Vim, and we will call this file QR code. Okay, so this is the QR code, and this is the code to implement generation of QR code. I will explain each of it line by line. So what actually we are doing here is, on the first line we are importing the module, and on the second line we are getting the QR code class which will generate the QR code, and over here we are passing www.hackerspan.com as a string which we want to be displayed in QR code. I mean, that is the information that we want to show in QR code. And here this is the actual function that generates the QR code. Okay, and this is the hackerspan.svg is the name of the file which it will generate. So let me save this file, and let me try to run that file with Python. Okay, so that is generated, and let us see where it is. Okay, so this is the file where it is. Now let me get to the desktop and show you where it is. So there you go. That is the QR code which stores the information that is www.hackerspan.com. So that was it for generation of QR code using Python. Hope you enjoyed this video.